Karbianglong arlo atok ano lapen tovar pi mesenangji pura saideng pon bombang bomsi Baithalangso pen Langhemphi kacheleng tovar setame Assam Mala Scheme pen tovar kasemar pangcheng bom tanglo. Bangso Assam Mala Scheme tovar KACCM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang pen kaning je pon atengke longle ahempu atuma fan compensation pipe pusi pangdak ponlo. Bon ta rata tum kachu echu sompen danglok hemrit kiduna puthak isibak avar saiduji meni pura KACCM Ronghang fan rat kachuning rialam the palepon.
300 tang hop 30 40 meter lason se dam juilo aja kade 50 60 meter lason dam juilo lason ponte penang antom bangke am thangalong leka ve to mason son bangke do thai ve dati na se sarkar pen jong se kerap jong se long poson te misen ji
la puson do te ma la ni dokan phala achiti manke parlo pondelo pusipu
ante lato aku tak nang li pen pini kaning ji do ma
nili pen pudun kang tungo bangke la lo la adukan tanon hatsi ka chitim lang amat la longle nam pinele pupe sitala dukan na bang phanan dukan nam kiki manam sona bangke nang pi asonte banang nang pinai puson sinili pudun kang tung
nane ko pini ke long ji alam do ma
no ma thang ra julong le lang ke long ji ke long le lam thang ta tini ni ar julong le la
nang le somben ko pene nang pinai ko bacheni ri do kan don gulu ma
la son ta ni tum chepang rum bomlo pu meeting pine non si ke do lang pu non ma do de lang meeting pine ta
Bangso tovar nang kasemar pia bangke misen lo ning setami arong lo la solong longle kido na bangke thangalama be seta kulada hem la pen kido ke thaka hem kido na bangke kachokim anam anabang nang pipona sonte misenji la pen tovar angbong pen jong si mitar kep an pulote bangso skola hem abangke dunjuipo jong si bangso school building le kidun jui pulote nili tuma phana bangke penang anakisung chechak nang poputa rata tum pen ningje ponthu.
I think it will be a very big problem for our school. It will affect mainly, especially these buildings. I think more than half, they will take it. I think the expansion of this road, it will take from the road, from the middle of the road. They will took. I don't get any clear notification, but from someone I heard that they took 10 meters from the middle of the road. If it is 10 meters, that means this building will be no more, and it will affect our school as well as the school campus also, and it will be a big problem for us. And as far as I heard, there will be no compensation this time, and there will create a financial problem for us also.
Did you get any notification regarding?
No, till now we don't get any notification, official notification from the government.
I labang sohem ke 2 stories penak lo, foundation ke 5 story apansi nili pinchong lo, as labang sohem ke non mada room cap do, room thedung room cap do, la room cap pen ke rooming koi po, abe room cap, angsong room cap, rooming koi po, anke latrine bathroom lahai dolang. Lapen lang tanili future abhan je selam masih lang da selam dat lo lasi khoros ke penang andam lo nili lo da near about 1 crore ke dam kai lo da
sakit dulu
tangte no itu maphan da so da ko jitek nang ko son naik mek dulu ma
abi lang no nak ke
terek no da pela
bupela
Hamren pen CMT so KATV News.